Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Telegram bot like NotCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, according to this article, this is how you do it. So, before we go into how to create it, these are the top features you should add to a Telegram bot like NotCoin on Combat Monster. Now, building an engaging Telegram bot necessitates incorporating features that enrich the user journey and promote sustained development. Here are the vital elements to consider when creating a truly compelling bot experience. First, you have token mining. Earn per tap. The number of tokens you get for each tap depends on your current user level. As you progress to levels, you'll earn more tokens per tap. User level. Your user level increases as you reach certain milestones. Your level reflects how many tokens you mined so far. Level 1 start, mining 100,000 tokens and advancing to higher levels. Then you have boost. Players that have a fantastic opportunity to boost the tap capacity and energy reserves, which greatly enhances their ability to mine tokens at higher rates. Second is sharing with friends. A very useful feature on the friends is the capability given to the user to send a link or write a message to their friends to use the bot and be rewarded for each successful referral. You can do referrals invites, earn rewards, and referral status. Third is the earn. The earn feature enables users to do various tasks and be rewarded in the form of extra coins. So first you have task completion. It allows the users to collect the credits by finishing the assignments assigned by the bot. Some example of these tasks: follow on Twitter, join Telegram community, Discord community, watch videos, and etc. Then you have daily rewards. The reward system can be used daily. It allows the user to receive rewards every passing day, logging into the bot every day. This in turn brings the user back to the bot regularly for rewards and thus increases the engagement of the user. Then you have airdrop wallet and connect. So through airdrop wallet connect feature, users can connect their base chain wallets to the bot. If the coin is going to be launched, people have the chance to receive the airdrop straight into their wallets. So you can do wallet connection and airdrop eligibility. And then you have accessibility. A user-friendly interface serves as the gateway for an interrelated experience. An intuitive and smooth navigation system completed by clear and concise instructions can help the user to get an immersive experience. You can do something like staying in the loop, build a social environment, and monetize through in-game purchases. Now, how do they actually work? Well, you don't need to download anything. These games are built into the Telegram app itself, so you can start playing them without downloading a separate game or anything else, which makes it super convenient and quick to start playing whenever you want. It has a simple gameplay. The gameplay is kept nice and simple, so it's easy to pick up and get into the game right away. In a game like Combat Hamster, for example, the controls are straightforward and the goal of the game is to understand. It's easy to understand. The simple design makes these Telegram games really engaging and fun to players over and over again. Now you have earning cryptocurrency. Many Telegram gaming apps let players gain digital money like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This cool perk motivates folks to keep playing regularly. They get pumped, earning real-world value through challenges, high scores, or special events in the games. Earning cryptocurrency adds an extra thrilling layer to the experience. Interactive missions keep things interesting. Telegram bots have all sorts of fun interactive tasks that prevent play to earn game. Play from being stale. Could be daily quests, seasonal competitions, or other rotating events with exclusive prizes up for grabs. And then you have integration. They have a remarkable ability to smoothly integrate with other bots and services. This powerful feature opens the world of possibility, enabling a more enriched and dynamic user experience. So these are the components functions of, for example, a hamster combat. So front end is Telegram client, backend servers, database, smart contract, and wallet integration. Now these are some popular businesses models of Telegram based like Combat Hamster. So you can do direct to consumer, subscription model, advertising revenue, commission-based partnership collaborations, and data monetizations. Now, key points to consider while developing Telegram bot like NotCoin or Hamster Combat is to have it user engagement that is scalable, that is secure, that is compliant with all the policies, and that you have some kind of feedback mechanism. So, want to start setting up your bot? Well, you need to register the bot with bot father after it was created on Telegram. Now, get the bot token, which is a must in the bot's authentication and connection to Telegram service. IDEC libraries that are needed. Now, set up the platform using the required libraries and framework. For instance, Python developers may want to use libraries like Python, Telegram, bot to make integration and developing easier. Reviewing the cryptocurrency data. If your bot has anything to do with cryptocurrencies, add the API calls the system to fetch the latest prices. Using services such as CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap can do it, which will offer latest and most reliable market data among other things. Write and understand the bot code. Develop the bot code's core functionalities. This means that you will write the code for tasks such as communicating with the user, fetching data, and setting game mechanics. Thus, the code being well documented and modular, it's rather easy to maintain and update. Of course, it's essential to test the bot out to make sure its functionality is as intended. This includes functional testing to verify that all features work correctly, stress testing to ensure that the bot can handle high users loads, and so on. Now, how much does it cost to create one? Well, it can be affordable or costly affair depending on the instructivity and functionality. A straightforward bot with minimal features is generally inexpensive to develop. However, advanced bots incorporating sophisticated capabilities and third-party integrations necessitates a substantial financial commitment. So, it really depends on how much you can afford and for how much you want to put money into it. Now, how long does it take to develop? Well, it depends on how many people are on your team, what type of game you want to develop. So it could take anywhere from like 1 to 2 months, but with a bot with features, more features, it could take up to 6 months. So a conclusion is creating a Telegram bot similar to Combat Helps on NotCoin can be an incredible experience. Some of the Telegram bot development companies like Codista have gained experience in developing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.